I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. After a serious bicycle crash in Iowa, many victims don't realize that they need to take certain steps to make sure their rights are protected. Although you may believe that your wreck was a regular accident, bike crashes can differ from regular personal injury claims in a few ways. Number one, many people are biased against bike riders using Iowa roads. Many motorists believe that bicycles do not have a right to be on the road. They believe that cyclists should not ride on public streets unless they are traveling in a designated bike lane. Bicyclists in Iowa have the same right to be on the road as any motorized vehicle driver. However, bikers who believe that they are second-class citizens on the road will often fail to take appropriate steps after a bike wreck caused by someone else. While bicycle accidents can be different than car crashes, there are a few similarities between the two. Following a car accident, most people know that they should call the police, take pictures, exchange insurance information, talk to any bystanders who may become witnesses, and seek medical attention for their injuries. Unfortunately, many cyclists don't realize that the same steps should be taken after a serious bicycle accident. Number two, Iowa's bicycle laws are different than other states. For example, unlike some states, Iowa has no mandatory helmet law for bicyclists, although wearing a helmet is always strongly encouraged. Another example is that Iowa's minimum speed limit laws do not apply to bicyclists. Number three, Iowa's bicycle laws vary depending upon the situation. In Iowa, bicycles are allowed on nearly all neighborhood and main roads. When a bicyclist is on the road, they are supposed to follow the same rules as motorists. The laws that govern bicycles when riding on the sidewalk, however, differ from those governing bicycles on the roadway. Whether bicycles are allowed on the sidewalk depends upon the Iowa city that you're in. A typical ordinance in Iowa allows bicycles on sidewalks except in congested areas. For example, in Cedar Rapids, cyclists may use sidewalks within the city limits, but may not use a sidewalk in the business district of Cedar Rapids, or for that matter, anywhere where there is a no sidewalk riding sign posted. Bicyclists are also subject to different laws when riding during the day as opposed to riding at night. During the day, cyclists are not required to use lights or reflective gear. However, they must use a headlight and a tail light or red reflector from sunset to sunrise, or whenever visibility is reduced. This is important to remember because a cyclist who fails to use a light or reflector at night may be partially at fault if a bicycle accident occurs because of their lack of visibility. If you have been seriously injured while riding your bicycle, do not settle your claim before you've talked to an experienced Iowa bicycle accident attorney. RSH Legal offers a free, no obligation case evaluation for Iowa bicycle accident victims. Call 1-800-433-0283 to schedule yours today.